Life has been an uphill task for the Indian fish farmers. They give them the right amount of feed and do everything possible, but nothing seems to be working. The food consumption is high, growth rates are poor, and the pond water pollution contributes a threat for optimal fish growth. India has been, until now, following traditional feeding mechanisms. In the traditional fish feed, they used and still are using compressed pellets that are heavy and sink easily. That is when the IB Group introduced the floating fish feed. IB Group, the manufacturer of Abyss floating fish feed, was started in 1985 and has a long history of researching and producing a multiplicity of products that focus on total proteins availability for people and animal kind, including poultry, dairy, pet food, bird feed, and edible oils. Commitment to quality and constant R&D in all its areas of production has helped IB Group establish a resilient corporate credibility. At the IB Group, all ingredients have to pass stringent quality measures before they are processed. Soya is purchased only after intense lab testing to ensure its quality. The IB Group has been the Indian pioneering force in using state-of-the-art, fully computerized technology that runs world-class production facilities. Abyss floating fish feed is a superior brand of nutritionally rich, is today the #1 floating fish feed brand in India. This comes in 8 different variants to meet all breeds of fishes, age and culture-specific nutritional requirements. When a farmer learns about this particular feed and its benefits, he realizes that this could be the solution to all his problems. This is called extruded fish feed and is produced by cooking the ingredients in controlled processes. It causes them to expand, reducing the density and making them lighter. As a result, they float on water. With Abyss's floating fish feed, this concern was effectively addressed. Floating fish feed makes it easier for you to monitor consumption and adjust the amount fed to your fish each time. They also absorb a huge amount of fat, increasing the feed's nutritional value. The IB Group has established godowns and warehouses at different locations with capacities of 1,000 to 1,200 metric tons of floating fish feed holding capacity. Each godown can store around 30,000 bags of feed. Availability is never a concern. When farmers buy floating fish feed from us, the relationship we establish with them is of prime importance. Every little detail should be farmer-friendly to ensure a trust and long-term association. Apart from supply and sale of feed, other value-added services are also offered at no extra cost to every farmer. IB Group offers help and advice on how to take preventive measures, manage water parameter, and enhance fish health. IB Group also undertakes frequent sampling of fish. Sampling helps farmers gauge the growth patterns of their fishes. This is done by trained and equipped technical staff. In fact, IB Group is the only feed marketing company that has labs where farmers can bring their fishes to be sampled. IB Group has also begun a grievance redressal forum wherein farmers, dealers, and other suppliers could directly interact with the higher management and share their concerns and queries. Fishes are your life and you are ours. We do everything to help the fish farmer flourish and build up his exquisite fish farming empire with Abyss Floating Fish Feed.